Well, nice to be back again. Hi, I'm Makoto. Welcome back to the Yokozu Arts Asylum in the new year. I was now over 2 weeks on vacation away from the place and all, so I'm back with new energy and new ideas. And of course, with blind commentaries, reaction, whatever you will call it. But before I start, little information. You probably noticed I will use now more the community tab for informations. On the channel you found the section community. There I post informations and updates to stuff. I use the community tab to write stuff down when videos will come up, when a break will happen, or when other stuff happen. And this year we'll also start with reviews, anime reviews, because I wanted to do reaction at first, but there's a lot of work to do with copyright and you must redirect, so I will make reviews. That means I watch the anime, after that I will skip to parts, writing stuff down that is important, about characters, about the story, then I will talk about it, then about stuff I liked, I don't like, what I think will happen next, so theories. And the same thing I will do with my music commentaries, because I love music. I'm a musician, I myself, but I will show you guys different kind of music and art. So also stuff you probably don't know. Anyways, today it's a complete blind reaction, because I don't know yet what I will watch. Yeah. So, after 10 minutes, I found the UA video I wanted to watch. This is called Ashes From Firework from Come Sing With Me, Season 2, Episode 8 on UA. Let's watch it. Duet.
我的心里住着一个苍老的小孩，如果世界听不明白，对影子表白，是不是只有我还在问为什么明天更精彩？烟火里找不到童真的残骸，只有我守着安静的沙漠，等待着花开。只有我看着别人的快乐，竟然会感慨。就让我听着天大的
first Hua video I watched in the new year, and I already teared up. Yeah. That's what I also mean. I'm writing stuff down when I'm in my head now, and I'll focus more on the music, on details. First of all, what a great song. This is, I would say, one of these genre. I would say it's a little pop. It's a Chinese pop song, rock song, popular song. Because in the background with all the faces, seems like, and all the people, kids, whatever, know that song. So, and probably all the people sung it before, and it was well-known song, Ashes From Firework. What I like is the two voices. When they sing together, I like this similar. That they're pretty similar in the higher parts. When first Ur and then the other guy, it was perfect. The voices together, it sounds well. It was not like one voice was too high or too low. It was completely different. It was perfect. Perfect in the middle. It was so smooth together, the voice, and that was I like, because it was. When the voices fit together, then the song is perfect. Probably there was another Come Sing With Me, like sing competition song, where the other singers sing a song, and then, yeah. And it was like a duet song. I don't know if this was like other songs, this was a cover. Pretty sure it was a cover, but it was a song from one of these people, but I think it was from a different singer. So this is what I also like. When I watch these kind of shows, it's always blind, so you don't know what it's about, and I like it then to see that there's so much music shows in Asia. I found it interesting how much music shows you find there where people sing, and so amazing. A lot of singers. Probably from Chinese or wasn't this, or for other shows, other sing competition, like in Korean, like K-pop singers. Also, I have watched a lot of shows in Asia. They have always to do with music. I don't find stuff like this in Germany. The Voice. The Voice is a thing. Voice of Germany, and so the Voice and all. But other stuff is also so. They are so stupid, or don't appreciate the artist. They are only show bad or really, 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 you would say, cringy people. I don't like this word. I hate this word, cringe, but it is. In Germany, the music shows are. It's not this great, but in Asia. When you from Asia, you have great singers, great songs. So, yeah. But besides of this was a pretty great song. It was has a good flow. It was on this beat. It's like this. You swing with it, and this is a song I always appreciate it when they're a little poppy. And this was great. So thank you very much for watching and for your attention. And yeah, you probably have seen now what I mean with more analytic reactions, so that I watch the videos and afterwards I will speak more in a professional way about the music, instead of only to say it was great, thank you very much for watching. But because this is not the reaction, this is I watching a video, and yeah, that was it. So I will really talk about it deeper, but not too long, because 20 minutes is not what people watch a reaction. When this video is only 3 minutes long, I always try to make similar. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you have a great start in the new year and have a great year. I say thank you very much and bye bye, kiddos.